So y'all, we're gonna start by getting our sign ready. It says hens on strike, no more eggs today. All right, so let's get a little bit of glue on our sign. We'll get our mounting squares added. All right, y'all, we're gonna let this sit for just a minute. How cute is that? So let's make our bow. All right. Give it a good twist. Y'all, I forgot to bring the creative coaching wreath over here tonight. It's on the wall where I took the pictures. All right, we're gonna do not huge loops, maybe about 6.5. All right, so we're gonna make a regular bow like we always do, but we're just gonna use one ribbon, but we're still gonna cut it after every layer. Loops are just gonna get a little bit smaller. And now we're gonna go in with our center loop. So we only did 2 layers and a center. Get our pipe cleaner. Get it good and tight. Give it a good twist. All right, so if it's not tight and it's not a good twist, what's it not gonna do? It's not gonna fluff up, right? Whenever you get it nice and tight, it should look like flower petals almost, right? Where it's starting to lift up. Let's get our sign added right up here. All right, so we've got our mounting squares. Those come from Deco Exchange. We're gonna add our pipe cleaner. All right, I'm just gonna add this up here at the top, maybe at a little angle. Let's give it a little bit of an angle. Y'all, if you have a hard time getting your pipe cleaner through your grapevine, take your needle nose pliers, work them up through the grapevine, all the way up, open them up, and just pinch that pipe cleaner and pull it back through. Makes it super simple. So, y'all, I want to pull in a little bit of this blue hydrangea bush. I want to pull in a little bit of white from the backgrounds. we're gonna pull in the red and white from the sign. So y'all, the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out the two different flowers and I'm gonna fluff them out. Now, the reason that I want to take both of these out and fluff them out is to see which way it layers better, right? So if I fluff it out and this plant happens to be twice as big as the white one, then I'm going to want to put this in the back and the white one in the front. All right, so look how much fuller the blue one is than the white one. So if we take these two and we layer them, literally stem on top of stem, and we turn it into one bush. I'm gonna grab a zip tie and I'm gonna literally zip tie this together. All right, y'all, and now that you have, look how pretty they are layered together. But we're gonna take this one step further. We wanna take some of these blue pieces and just wiggle them towards the front. Just let them creep in on the other person's territory. So that it truly looks like one bush. All right, I'm gonna trim down this stem. Because they're zip tied together, I only need one stem. Get that added. Now in this case, the stem did come out the bottom, so we gotta get rid of that. All right, now look how this stem is being kind of crazy. Y'all, I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna zip tie it right over to the frame. Where did I get the pretty flower sprays? All my supplies come from decoexchange.com. All right, so we just tamed that a little bit. Now, some of these pieces are like covering the sign, so I'm just gonna either bend them this way or I'm gonna bend them just out of the way. All right, we're gonna do that same thing again, going in the opposite direction. All right, let's get this one fluffed out. All right, so I zip tied the florals, trim this one down, trim this one up. All right, so I want to hang this wreath at an angle like this. So we've got it built up this way. So this piece, I want to get going down and up and all around, right? All right, we're gonna add our bow. All right, let's get our ribbon tails dovetailed. We're just gonna grab some ribbon and I'm gonna leave it on the roll, pinch a tail, pinch it in, add it right down there, and just see how long it needs to be. All right. And we're just gonna make a fake ribbon tail and add that in there. I'm gonna cheat and use my pick machine. Right, so the pick machine just puts a little metal pick right on it. Saves me from fighting with it. So you can see it just put a little knife on there. And then I can just put that right into the grapevine. All right, so look, I just added those longer tails. All right, there we go. That fun and simple.